Hi friends, in our previous slide we have discussed about the action research. This is the format of action research, how to write in a proper way step by step. First of all, you have to identify the problem, devise a plan, then act according to implement your plan, observe, collect and analyze your data from the sample, then reflect and share it. Whatever you have observed, you have to write by your own words. This is the cycle you have to follow during your action research. First is your introduction, where you have to write the broader perspective, like a general introduction from your topic that you have selected while coordinating with your guide. Language should be formal and it should be referred from the published papers or articles or any materials that which is related to your selected topic. And the second part is your identification of problem. The problem you have identified, that should be written in a formal and first person. And while you are describing your problem, that you should identify the section, the class, the place where you are doing the research. That means classroom will be the most important place. Then how you felt that this is the problem and there should be a research on this. That is the main theme of your identification of the problem. You have to write the gist, why you have selected, why you have identified this problem. The scope of improvement, that includes your discussion about the possible causes of the problem. You have to write the review of related literature also, which is like the research which has been done on the similar topics, that too in a prescribed format. Then statement of problem, you have to write the exact topic of the action research. Then proceed towards the objectives, then research questions and hypothesis. These are the main important part you have to follow. This is the design that you can place, where you have to write the main activity taken, techniques, tools and time. This is one of the designing intervention activity, which is a sample I have given, that you should mention the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and how much time it has taken and your remark in which standard you have taken the research. This is the designing of the intervention activity. You can follow this sample also. Then, for example, this is one of the RTI reading intervention lesson plans, how you can follow Monday, what are the things you have observed, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. In this way, you can mention the intervention activity. Then, observation schedule. Observation schedule means looking and watching an event, thing, or person with a purposive intent. Observation schedule, when you are preparing, you should have that much of knowledge about how to watch the behavior, the events, and the physical characteristics in the natural setting. Nothing can be manipulated, so that no one knows they are being observed and the observer is concealed. Then you should have a plan for your observation schedule, how to record the sheets and how much time you should spend. This is the checklist that you can prepare while observing the students. The checklist should be prepared in a very systematic manner. And this is one of the example where you can write this 4-point scale: never, rarely, always, not observed. What is the observation? What is your observation? The content of observation, like attendance or attendance in assembly, like that. Then writing the review of related literature. The most important part is you have to write the surname of the author first, then year of publication. For example, Dash 2010 stated that. In this way, you have to mention your review of related literature. Then while writing the references, you should mention the APA format structure, which is always available. This is the standard format structure to write the references. Then evaluation procedure, when you are evaluating, you have to prepare a pie chart or table or diagram on the basis of the percentage you have calculated. Situation before intervention, situation after intervention. Then interpretation of result, both the way you have to write, like positive impact and negative impact of that study. than impact or the implications of the intervention. In this way, you have to conclude your action research with reflection. So in this uh, PowerPoint presentation, we have discussed how to write the action research report. Hope this will help you all very much. Thank you so much.